Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Mound plus Ted. Mound, Ted. Pole plus lease. Pole, lease. Mounted police. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Hi, folks. Welcome to our show. Some of you may remember my lengthy explanation about our rules at the beginning of yesterday's program. And if you watch the entire program, you will have discovered how difficult it is to judge events on any kind of a game show, not only Classic Concentration. I've said this on some of my other programs. Judging is not an exact science. And there was a little problem in the game involving Linda, and so to be fair to her, and this is what I've noticed about all game shows, they always try to bend over backwards to be fair to the contestants. We have brought her back to play again, so she's with us again, and good luck. Now, you're going to be facing a newcomer, and his name is Robbie Mendez Jr. Hi, Robbie.
Alex? Nice to meet you, Alex.
Thank you. That haircut looks like, it tells me you might be in the military, are you?
No, I'm not in the military. I am a college student at Sonoma State University. I'm a member of the lacrosse team.
Whoa.
And I'm in the Sigma Alpha Epsilon fraternity, and I got to say Phi Alpha to all my friends.
Phi Alpha to all of my friends. Phi Alpha to all of my friends. Ready to play?
Yes, I am.
Good luck. Take a look over here. We'll show you one of the prizes.
Amisco brings comfort with this pair of tubular steel and leather chairs and ottomans. Great relaxing for a few minutes or a lazy afternoon. Furnished by Amisco. Alex.
Lovely furniture. Linda and Robbie, take a look. Leather chairs and ottomans at number 1. Robbie, you get to pick first. The trip in this game is a holiday in Malaysia.
Ooh, Malaysia. That would be great. That would be great. All right, I'm going to go for that trip under number 14.
High-tech binoculars.
High-tech binoculars, we could use them. And the match for that under number 16.
Car sound system. No match. Linda.
Number 25, please.
Computer.
Ooh, I could use that. How about number 5?
High-tech binoculars. No match. Robbie.
Okay, I think I remember seeing the binoculars under number 13.
No, that's the car sound system.
And was that number 16?
No, but it's a match. Well done. You're looking a little confused about that.
Yeah, I think so.
I think you got your numbers reversed, but that's all right. You made the match, and you get the first look at the puzzle.
Okay.
Luck counts, believe me. Try it again.
Okay. Let's go for a wild card of that trip under number 22.
Wild card.
Right. That's what I need. That's what I need. All right, let's, I'm looking for that trip to Malaysia. That'd be beautiful. Number 9.
Leather chairs and the ottomans. And we just saw those at number 1, didn't we?
Right.
Yes. So another prize for Robbie's column, another look at the puzzle with 3 doors swinging open this time.
Is it the Beacon Theater?
Is it the Beacon Theater? No. Where is the Beacon Theater?
I don't know.
Oh, all right.
I just heard it somewhere.
It just came into your mind?
Yeah, it was a vision.
It's that fraternity stuff.
Yeah. It was all that ritual things.
All right, a little ritual, yes. Okay.
Okay, let's open the board under number 19.
Green take.
Ooh, okay, could use that for insurance. The match for that green take under number 10.
Yes. There you go, Robbie.
I always wanted to touch it.
It's wood.
I know.
But it's very important. It's worth its weight in gold, perhaps.
Hopefully.
Particularly in the latter stages of the game. Let's open these 2 panels. Try it again.
Okay, number 17.
Gold pendant.
Ooh, my girlfriend would like that. Let's go for the match under number 8.
Choose 10 of your favorite novels.
Okay.
No match there. Linda?
All right, let's look at number 20, please.
Wild card.
I sure would like to find that trip. Let's look at number 24.
Choose 10 of your favorite novels, which we
Okay.
just saw a moment
That's
ago.
all right.
Number
I
8.
like
You got my books.
You've got Robbie's books.
You can take them.
Okay.
She'll let you have those if you'll give her Malaysia if you find it.
Yes.
Let's open these 3 panels and see what happens. Pick again.
Number 14, please.
high-tech binoculars.
I know we've seen those. Let's look at number 17.
No, gold
there.
pendant.
Okay, that's a break for me, it looks like. Number 21.
Red tape.
Go for the match under that. I don't even remember seeing it, but we'll try number 3.
Red tape.
You're good.
She's got your novels.
I'll take them. What the hell?
All right, the novels are going over to Robbie's side, and we're opening these 2 panels for him.
Okay. Oh.
Pick again.
Okay, going for the trip from Malaysia under number 5.
High-tech binoculars.
Ooh, I'm trying to remember what that was. 17?
Nope. Damn. Gold pendant. Linda.
Number 14, please.
Binoculars.
And number 5.
Binoculars. High-tech binoculars. Swing these 2 doors open for Linda Moore. Try it again, Linda.
Number 6, please.
His and her gift basket.
All right, and let's look under number 12.
Computer.
Ooh,
Robbie.
that computer, I know. Number 25?
Yep.
And the match for that are number 12.
12 is right.
That's what I wanted.
You wanted the computer?
Definitely, I need
Well,
one.
you've got a shot at it. You want to
Okay.
take the binoculars? or
I'm going to
it?
save it for now because, yeah, I'll save it
We'll save it.
in case she gets the trip.
In case she gets the trip.
Yeah.
Let's open these 2 panels for Robbie. Try it again.
Okay, number 23.
His and her gift
Did
basket.
we see that under number 6?
His and her gift basket. That's where we saw it. Another match for you.
Okay.
Let's take. You don't want to take the binoculars.
Not yet, not
All
yet,
right.
not yet.
Open it up.
Is it Beak Sinky?
Is it Beak Sinky?
I don't know. I had no idea.
Is that another one of those fraternity infants?
Yeah, it was one of those ritual
When you
things.
meet fellow brother, Beak Sinky.
Oh, I'm not allowed to tell you that. I'm not at liberty to say
That's
that.
right. You could tell me, but then you'd have to kill me.
Yeah, something
All
like
right.
that.
Something like that. All right. Pick again.
Okay,
Still
no-
a wild card up there.
Number 15.
Gold pendant.
And number 17 for the match?
That's right. Now, Robbie. There's still that trip to Malaysia up there.
I know.
And we're gonna open
and
these
I'm
2 doors
shaking
for you.
right now. Oh, God. I have no idea.
Well, you're in pretty good shape now because you've got a better than 50-50 chance at solving the puzzle. I mean, at least at clearing the entire puzzle.
Okay,
Select.
number 11.
Outdoor barbecue.
And I don't think we've seen number 18.
Wild card's going to work for you. The other outdoor barbecue at number 4. Open those 3 doors for him. Now let's take a look at 2 and 7. The Malaysia Beach Vacation.
And
Robbie,
can I
you...
take the binoculars?
Yes, you can take the binoculars, too.
I'll take the binoculars.
Might as well.
Might as well. Why not?
I mean, the way Robbie looks at it is, hey, I got everything else. Let me have the binoculars, too, so I can see where I'm going if I go to Malaysia. Now, you've got to be able to solve it, though, to win all of those prizes. Can you do it? Robbie Mendez Jr. Take a look. Linda?
Is it Beetle Bailey?
Is it Beetle Bailey? No, it is not. All right, hands on your signaling buttons and get ready to ring in when the green light goes on. The arrows are pointing at a specific part of the bird. It isn't a beak, it's... Robbie?
Point Bailey?
Is it Point Bailey? No, it is not. Linda?
Bill Bailey.
Is it Bill Bailey? Yes, Bill Bailey, won't you please come home? Linda, look at this. Your cupboard is bare. But that's all right. Charity, your daughter's going to be so excited because you're going to the winner's circle again to try for a brand new car.
Oh, boy.
Explain it.
Okay, here we have the problem area. Bill plus the man bailing the water out of his boat plus the E. Bill Bailey.
Bill Bailey. What did we have? We had Beetle Bailey and Robbie, what did you say?
Point Bailey.
Point Bailey. Point Bailey. Big Sinky. A lot of good solutions. Rob, I'm glad we cleared all those prizes. I wouldn't want you to turn around and see what you missed out on. 'Cause there was
I know.
It was about 10 grand worth. However, you've got a strike against you. Linda's got a strike against her, and you'll just have to work a little harder in game number 2.
Yeah,
We'll
I'll
see
have
you
to
in
come
that.
back. Okay, good luck,
All
Linda.
right. Linda's going to the winner's circle again to play for a brand new car right after this.
We're searching for game show sounds in their natural habitat.
Here, that's her daughter, Charity. Charity's looking up and she's saying, come on, Ma, win a brand new car so you can drive the new one and maybe I can get your old one. So let's get to it. 15 numbered squares for Linda. 50 seconds on the clock. Lots of time. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 4.
Nope.
7, 10.
Nope.
13, 14.
Nope.
1, 11.
Nope.
4, 8.
Yes.
5, 2.
No.
3, 14.
No.
6, 13.
Right.
9, 1.
Yep.
12, 2.
Yep.
15, 3.
No.
7, 11.
No.
10, 14.
No.
5, 3.
No.
14, 3.
14. You went by it the first time. 7 and 14 were the scoop. And that would have been a match for you. And I think probably Charity noticed that and started losing hope at that point. But that's okay. You're going to play in another game. You might wind up here again. Meanwhile, you've got $2,834 in prizes, and we've got a break coming up.
It's a great day. You're watching Buzzr's National Game Show Month Celebration.
A lot at stake in this second game. Linda wants to get back to the winner's circle so she can get another shot at a car. She'll have 55 seconds, and she's trying to win a car not only for herself, but for her 16-year-old daughter, Charity. Robbie wants to win the game just to make up for that disaster in game one where he blew about 10 grand worth of prizes.
Yeah.
However, we've got some good prizes in this second game. Here's an example of one of them.
Health Waves exercise and massage table helps promote total body circulation and inch loss and helps restore energy. Designed to be moved effortlessly and stored easily, furnished by Health Wave Industries. Alex.
This table will change your life. Look at that. It makes Marjorie look just like me, and it makes her fall asleep. Is that terrific or what? Robbie and Linda, take a look at the board. We'll show you where you can find this wonderful massage table. At number 2. This is the second game of this program today, so we've got the bonus car seconds, 5 seconds. You win the game, get those seconds, you'll have a full minute. We have the $500 in the cash pot and a holiday at the Bel Air Resort Hotel. And Robbie, you get to go first again, just one wild card in this game.
Okay, let's go for the Bel Air Resort. Sounds kind of nice. Number 17.
Table tennis set.
I could play that. Match for that on number 15?
Green take, no match. Linda.
Number 1, please.
Uno. Green take.
And number 15.
15
I finally
is a
get
match.
one.
You finally get one, yes indeed. Security, insurance for later on. Open it up. Solve this puzzle, Linda.
No, thanks.
All right, in that case, pick 2 numbers.
All right, number 5, please.
Cash pot.
I could use that. And number 10.
Red take. Robbie.
Okay, let's go for the cash pot. Looking at number 18.
Entertainment Center.
Could use one of those. Match for that on number 9.
Bel Air Resort
Ooh,
Hotel. No
there it
match.
is.
Linda.
I'd like to find the match to Bel Air. Let's look under 25.
Refrigerator freezer.
That's fine, too. How about number 21?
Red take. Robbie.
Ooh, let's see if I remember where the red take was. Was that number 10?
Yep.
And number 21 for the match.
That's it. Now let's open 2 more doors. Select.
Okay, let's look for number 12.
Chinese wok set.
Ooh, Chinese cooking. Gotta love that. A match for that and a number 7.
Bel Air Resort Hotel. No match. Linda.
Number 9, please.
Number 9.
And number 7.
What would you do at the Bel Air Resort? Just kind of take it easy, mellow out?
Absolutely nothing.
Have you ever thought of doing that, just getting away for a weekend or a few days and doing absolutely nothing at a local hotel?
Sounds marvelous.
Doesn't it?
It does, yes.
You bet. All right, let's open it up. Select again.
Number 17, please.
Table tennis
Table
set.
tennis. All right, let's look at number 3.
Diamond watches for 2. No match there. Robbie?
Okay, let's go up in the top corner, number 5.
Cash pot.
Cash pot, we've seen that already. I think it was at number 5. Try number 4.
No. Massage table. Linda?
Number 2, please.
Massage table.
And number 4.
Massage table.
That looks nice, too.
Yep.
Comfortable.
Take that over to the Bel Air Hotel.
Sounds
Set
good to
it up
me.
in your room.
Sounds good.
Never leave your room. Just lay out there on the massage table. Open these panels, please. Select again.
All right, number 22, please. And number 5. Yes.
Cash pot going up into your column. No sense looking over there in his column. He hasn't
Nope.
put anything up there for you to grab
Nothing yet.
2 panels opening up for you, Linda. Try
Not
it.
yet. Number 18, please.
Entertainment Center.
And number 23.
5 bonus seconds. Come on, Robbie.
Let's go for number 8.
Chinese walk.
And was that under number 16?
No. Table tennis set. Linda.
Number 12.
Chinese walk.
And number 8.
Right. Another prize for the lady. Open these 2 doors.
Is it blind luck?
Is it blind luck? No. Try it again.
Number 16.
Table
and
tennis.
number 17, please.
That's right. 2 more doors for Linda Moore. Try it again.
Number 19, please.
5 bonus seconds.
We've seen that where? Number 25?
No.
No.
Robbie. Whoa, there's the bill. No sense in saving these. They are of no use any longer. We'll start revealing. 3, 6, 11, 13, 14, 18. Remember, you must solve the puzzle exactly as we depicted. 19, 20, 23. Linda.
A blind date.
A blind date, says Linda Moore, and Linda Moore is right. Come on, Linda. Oh, boy. Big, big win again.
Okay, here we have Old Honest Abe. We have a line plus a D for a blind. D plus 8 for a date. A blind date.
A blind date, and a blind date is good news for you, bad news for Robbie. 2 strikes, sorry.
Oh, well.
Didn't work. Did you have a lot of fun?
Yeah, I had a great time.
I get the impression that you're a fun-loving kind of guy, and I hope it was
try.
enjoyable for
I
you.
try.
Take care, Robbie.
Thanks a lot.
So long. All right, Linda, a lot of prizes coming your way again. Go for it, Gene.
A cash pot worth $500, a Chinese walk set, a table tennis set, and a Bel Air Resort Hotel. The Radisson Bel Air Summit Hotel features 162 luxury rooms, nightly entertainment, fine dining at Restaurant Echo, tennis and swimming furnished by the Radisson Bel Air Summit Hotel, and, of course, the relaxing massage table, a prize package totaling $5,334.
Since we brought Linda back, she has won an additional $5,000 and could win a brand new car as well after this. 55 seconds. Numbered squares. Clock, please. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 4.
Nope.
7, 10.
Nope.
13, 14.
No.
11, 4.
No.
1, 11.
Right.
8, 4.
Right.
5, 13.
Right.
2, 10.
Right.
3, 6.
No.
9, 3.
No.
12, 15.
No.
3, 15.
Right.
14, 7.
No.
6, 12. 9, 14.
Come on, Charity. Tell her about it, James.
Linda, you've just won this Honda Civic 4-door DX Features a 1.5-liter, 4-cylinder, 1,500cc fuel-injected engine and 5-speed manual transmission. Furnished by Honda, a prize worth over $10,000.
Well, Linda, happy moment for you and Charity. Since we brought you back, you've added about $15,000. You're leaving us with $18,183. Congratulations.
Thank you.
We'll take a break. Gene?
Some of today's participants may receive Get the Most out of your next party with a revolutionary Konica Conpai camera, one of the world's first voice-activated cameras that automatically takes pictures in response to sound, furnished by Konica. We'll be back for Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Win. So long, everyone.
This is Gene Woods speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.